morning children, welcome to English class. Children, today I am going to teach you a new lesson in your text, that is the Hungry Emperor. What is the name of the lesson? Yes, the Hungry Emperor. In this chapter, we shall read a person, a king who was the king of China, who was very fond of eating new dishes. And also we can see another character, that is Yen. He is the cook. Okay, he is the cook. How did the Yen satisfy the emperor's hunger? Okay children, shall I start children? Okay, take out your textbook and open the page number 22, 22nd page number. Okay. First, I will read the lesson. You have to concentrate while I am reading. Shall I start, children? The Hungry Emperor. A long time ago, there was an emperor in China who was very fond of eating new and different kinds of food. He always demanded new and tasty food. Sometimes he behaved like a child and demanded new variety of food. His courtiers were much worried of his nature, especially the cook. He tried hard to please the emperor by serving different kinds of dishes, but the emperor was never satisfied and sent the cook away. Many cooks came to please the emperor by their food, but all were sent away sooner or later. The emperor was very sad. One day, when he was walking in his garden, a man came up to him and said, The emperor was very sad. One day, when he was walking in his garden, a man came up to him and said, Your Majesty, I have come to offer my service as a cook. The emperor was very happy. He asked the stranger, Do you know what is the best and tastiest food in the world? The new cook said, Your Majesty, it is the onion biscuit noodle soup. The emperor was surprised as he had never heard such type of dish. He said, I wonder what it tastes like. Make it for me today and I shall see if I agree with you or not. The new cook's name was Yen. He was very wise, so he made the soup tasteless. Here children, the Hungry Emperor. The Hungry Emperor. What is the meaning of hungry? Hungry. Hungry means need food. Need food. In sense, we say in Kannada, hasivu. Got it? Hasivu. Hungry. Hasivu. Emperor. Emperor. What is the meaning of emperor? Yes. Emperor means a ruler. Ruler means king. Okay? King is nothing but king. Here, a long time ago, there was an emperor in China. A long time ago, there was a king. There was a king. He lived in China. Okay? A long time ago, there was an emperor in China. The emperor lived in China, who was very fond of eating new and different kinds of food. He was very fond of eating different kinds of food. Okay? Fond. Fond means, yes, like. Okay? Like. Fond of. Ishtapadodu. Like. And different kinds of food. He always demanded new and tasty food. He always asked different kinds of food. Sometimes he behaved like a child. Sometimes the emperor behaved like a child. Got it? He behaved. Behaved means act. He behaved like a child and demanded new variety of food. He always demanded, asked. Okay? Asked variety of food. Variety means different. Okay? Different kinds of food. His courtiers were much worried of his nature, especially the cook. His courtiers. Courtiers means courtiers, a companion of a king or queen. Okay, a companion means ಜೊತೆಗಿರುವವರು, ಜೊತೆಗಿರುವವರು. courtiers, we call courtiers. ರಾಜ ಅಥವಾ ರಾಣಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ಇರುವವರು courtiers, companion. A companion of a king or queen is called a courtiers. Got it, children? Yes. His courtiers were much worried. Worried means upset or feel. Okay, feel. Of his nature, especially the cook. His courtiers were very worried about the emperor's behavior. Okay, he demanded always different kinds of food. That's why the courtiers very worried by the emperor's act. Especially the cook. Especially ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಯಾರು ತುಂಬ worried ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? Yes, cook. Okay, cook. Because he always demanded new kinds of food. That's why the cook was very upset. Got it? He tried hard to please the emperor by serving different kinds of dishes, but the emperor was never satisfied. The cook always made serving different kinds of food. The cook always prepared some different kinds of food, but the emperor did not satisfy because he wanted to another taste. Okay, the emperor wanted to another taste. Understood, children? He never satisfied happy. Okay, trupti. Okay, here we can say trupti. He did not get any satisfied, but he wanted to more taste. Okay, and sent the cook away. That time the emperor sent the cook away out of the palace. He sent out of the palace because he wanted to some taste food. Many cooks came to please the emperor by the food, but all were sent away sooner or later. But many cooks came in that palace, but the emperor did not satisfy because he wanted to get another tasty of food. So the emperor was very sad. Sad means feel bad feel. Okay, the emperor was very sad one day when he was walking in his garden. When he was walking one day, he was walking in his garden. A man came up to him and said. That time a man came and said, Your Majesty, I have come to offer my service as a cook. Your Majesty means Lord, my Lord. Okay, my Lord, I have to come to offer my service as a cook. A person came and he said, Your Majesty, I have come to offer my service. Service means work. Okay, offer means give. I want to give offer as my service as a cook. So that man wanted to work as a cook in that palace. Okay, children. So the emperor was very happy. That time the emperor was very happy. He asked the stranger. Stranger means unfamiliar. Okay, that person is a stranger. Okay. So that time the emperor said, the king asked to him, Do you know what is the best and tastiest food in the world? So that time the king asked him, Do you know what is the best and tastiest food in the world? World means world. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲೇ ತುಂಬಾ ಟೇಸ್ಟಿ ಆದಂತಹ ಫುಡ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? So he asked like that. The new cook replied that, Your Majesty, it is the onion biscuit noodle soup. Yes, I know that it is the onion biscuit noodle soup. He replied like that. The emperor was surprised. The emperor became very surprised. Surprise means surprised, astonished, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗೋದು. Okay, surprised, आश्चर्य, as he had never heard such type of dishes. Because why he was very surprised? Why he was very surprised? Because the king did not hear such kinds of dish. Okay, so that's why he got surprised. He said, I wonder what it tastes like. He said. The king replied, Howda, I wonder what is taste like. What is taste? ಯಾವ ತರ taste ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದು? So he said like that. Make it for me today. Can you make for me? Can you make for me? So he asked to the new cook. Today I shall see if I agree with you or not. So I want to first taste what you done for me. Okay. Afterwards I will say you are selected or not selected. Okay. Then the cook. Okay. The new cook's name was Yen. The stranger name was Yen. Okay. Yen. He was very wise. Wise means brilliant, intelligent, buddhivanta. The cook name was Yen. What is the name of the cook? Yes, Yen. Y-E-N. Yen. He was very wise. Wise means brilliant, intelligent, jana. So he made the soup tasteless. So he prepared soup. He prepared the soup for the king, but it is very tasteless. Tasteless means tasteless. Ruchi ಆಗಿರದಿರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, without taste. So up to this today, children, I think it's enough for the today's class. You have to read 2 or 3 times. Okay, in next class I will be continuing. Till then you have to read 2 or 3 times. Okay, children, thank you. Have a nice day.